Hello and welcome back to the Tech Post. Today I am excited to introduce another PCF control, the speech to text control. This control transforms a standard text area field into a voice enabled field, making it super easy for user to capture notes or details just by speaking. In Dynamics 365, we often use text area to capture meeting notes, customer feedback, or other details. But typing everything manually can be slow, especially when you are in rush or on the go. The speech to text control solves this by letting you speak your notes. The control automatically converts your voice into text, saving time, reducing effort, and improving the accuracy. The control will add two simple buttons, start and stop. Tap start and your speech will be captured and converted into text in real time. Tap stop and the text will appear in the field. Once the speech is converted, the field stays editable so you can review it and make changes before saving. This is especially useful for sales or service team who needs to capture notes after meeting, call or site visit. Instead of typing, they can just speak and the control will take care of the rest. Let's see in action. Let's download this control from GitHub. Go to github.com, look for Quantril, and in Quantril, you will see a repository called SpeechToText. Open the SpeechToText repository. On the left side, you will see the code, and right side, you will see the releases. Click on the releases, and you will see a solution called a managed solution for SpeechToText. Just click on this, and the solution will be downloaded. Now, before installing this solution into our Power Platform, let's see the control without the PCF control. So this is the text area, which is a standard text area without any PCF control binded to this. So here you need to type everything. We are going to transform this control into a voice enabled control. For that, go to make.powerapps.com, select environment, go to solution and import the solution which we just downloaded. Click on the import, select the solution and download this. Install it. Once you install this, solution will be available in your managed list. Once the solution is installed, now we'll see how to configure this control in our appointment entity. For that, I have created a solution called speech to text demo. In that, I have added an entity called appointment, which has a form where I'm going to perform this control changes. Now, once you add this form, open that form and select the control which you want to replace it. For this use case, we are using this meeting outcome field. Click on this, click on component and select the control which you want to replace. So I will select this PCF control and then click done. Once you click done, the control will be changed and it will have two new buttons here. This is the start and this is the stop button. Once you click save and publish, the control will be available in your form to use this. Let's navigate to the form and see in the action. This is my meeting record where you will see this control has two new buttons now, start and stop. If I click on start, it will start recording and once I click stop, it will stop recording. Let's speak something on the meeting so that we can see it in action. Had a quick meeting with Contoso team today. They are interested in Dynamics 365 for customer service. Action item. Share proposal by Friday and schedule product demo for next week. See how easy it was just to capture such a big note by just speaking. So that's the speech to text PCF control, a smart way to capture information in Dynamics without typing. If you found this useful, let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such projects. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.